Hi YouTube, for all you guys asking where to drill for this reverse camera wire without having to move the bumper and all that stuff. It's quite simple. I've taken off my panel again just to show you guys, and it's so you have, that's the lock, you have this guy here, this notch here, and it's roughly about there. So if you look there and I follow it over, it's there. So you drill about there. I don't know if my camera can pick it up. So you're drilling there. You're drilling there at that angle down. So there, and that surface down. Okay, so with that, guys, come there and then you drill there, and that will go through. And then what you want to do is you pop out one of the lights, the number plate lights. You can even pop the other one out, and then you basically fish it through, and that's the way you get your cable through. Or if you've got the one that splits, you feed the cable up and then you shine some light there so you know where to push it through, and then when it comes through on this side, use like a long nose and fish it through, and then you'll get this wire come through, and then you join it to the rest of the harness that goes to the front, to your screen. Okay, I hope that's helped you guys. Sorry I couldn't make a video quick enough, but I've had a chance to strip down again and check it all out for you. Okay, thanks YouTube. Bye.